Hi everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today I'm going to show you a cassava plantation. I'm just walking on a grass here, a compound grass called paspalam. I don't know whether that is a word in English or what, but they call it here paspalam. I'm actually right now in Kitgum, somewhere deep in the village of Kitgum. So this is cassava plantation here. Can you see? The field is quite big, quite wide. It's actually, this one actually belongs to a neighbor. Can you see? If I can put the camera nearer, you can see. This is how the leaves look. Quite beautiful. And the young ones here, people actually eat the leaves. And I understand in West Africa they eat also cassava leaves. Uganda also, some people also do eat it. But I don't remember actually eating cassava leaves when I was growing up. And I don't know the taste. But I know it is edible. They are edible, you know. And this person worked really hard. They planted quite a lot. It's a big field of cassava. Cassava is quite nice. I've been enjoying cassava a lot in Uganda. You know, with my tea, you eat with peanut butter, sesame butter, or mix peanut and sesame. You have with a cup of lemon tea. You can have with milk tea. You can have with whatever, maybe even with juice. You can have it. You can eat the cassava just plain boiled with salt and water, and it tastes quite good because it's organic. You know, Uganda cassava are organic cassava. You can see it's organic and they taste really good, very good. So yeah, I just thought I should show you. You know, can you see happily the wind is blowing and they're just growing. They're just here. Nature is taking its course. I think in the next probably maximum 1.5 months or 2 months, they will be harvesting. You know, cassava takes about 3 months to, you know, to mature and be ready for harvest. Okay, God bless. Okay, take care.
Yes,